Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So now, then what is that? Then they like Angular people started. What is that? One platform. Like what is that? Google means what is that? Google started what is the new platform which was planned for what is that? Which was planned planned for what is that? Planned for what? Develop what is that? Web application, mobile application, distributed application, artificial intelligence application, gaming application, gaming application, and IoT kind of application, right? They design one platform, right? What is that? Angular JS started one platform to develop this kind of application, and also planned for what is that? And also by looking these things, they need what is that? They need some different language, guys, because they know that some issue is there with what? Some issue is there with what is that? JavaScript, right? JavaScript. Then what they plan now? But what is that? Some now new language they started. What is that? They are thinking about to develop what is that? New language. They don't want to use JavaScript. They don't want to use what is that? JavaScript. They started what is that? Language to use what is that? Use new language. They want to use new language, right? They want to use new language instead of what is that? Instead of what is that? Instead of what is that? JavaScript. Instead of what? JavaScript. And they started what is that? Then Google team started, right? Google team started. Oh, sorry. Yes, started, right? Started a new language, right? Language called what is that? Language called what is that? That language is nothing but what is that? That language is nothing but at script. Then they started designing, and they started designing one language that is called what is that? At script. Now, guys, okay, who's started this language now? Angular framework. Why they started this language? For the client side, right? For the clients, this language they started designing for that, to use what is that? In the client side area, guys, okay? In the client side area, they don't want to use what is that? JavaScript. They don't want to use what is that? JavaScript. Why they don't want to use the JavaScript? Because JavaScript is not supporting OOP concept, right? It's supporting features of OOP, guys, okay? But it's not like OOP supporting programming, right? It's not supporting what is that? OOP programming, right? Come on. So, and it's having some issues, like what is that? Compatibility issues and all those things. So that's why they're thinking about to eliminate what? They're thinking about to eliminate JavaScript. They started what is the design one? Our own language. That language name they given what is that? At script. That is script. So by looking that, what is that? Microsoft team people, right? They Microsoft team people is looking that, hey, like Google people is designing what is that? One at a script language, right? Which is useful for what is that? Client side, right? Client side only. Then what is that? Then Microsoft team people is said, right? Microsoft company people said that, hey, like Google are nothing but Angular JS team. Why you are developing new like TypeScript kind of language? Right? Don't develop. We have already one. What is that? We have already one TypeScript. Use it. That language. Use it. We designed that language for the client side only, right? client side only. Don't design and don't waste your time, right? Don't waste your time to design, develop what is that new scripting language for the client side. Okay, so then what is that? Then what is that? Microsoft already have what is that language called what is that TypeScript. So introduce who's introduced this like TypeScript now. So TypeScript introduced Ederson. I think Ederson Hazelbird something name is there. Ederson, yeah, Ederson Hazelbird, right? Hazelbird, right? They design what is that TypeScript, right? So then Microsoft team said that don't develop and don't waste your time to what is that develop what is that new language. Okay, we have already, if you are comfortable, I will give that, I will make this TypeScript as an open source. You can also use it, right? I will make TypeScript as an open source, you can also use it. So the thing is what is that Microsoft already right, already have a language like language called what is that called TypeScript. TypeScript, right? TypeScript. Who introduced this TypeScript? Introduced by what? Introduced by what is that? Enders, right? Enders. Okay, Enders. Okay, please check the name again, guys, on the Google, because see, name is correct, Enders only, but spelling I don't know. I'm writing spelling is correct or not. Enders Hazel. Hedgeboards, right? Hedgeboards. Hedgeboards. What was it? Hedges beard, I think, right? Hedges beard, I think. Hedges are Hedgeboard. I think Haley's board is there. Haley board, I think. Hazel's board, I think Hazel's board, I think so. That this is name only. Adarson, yeah, this is okay. Pankaj, good. Yeah, Pankaj given that correct name, guys. Okay, little bit yeah. Anders Hazelsberg, right? Hazelsberg is developed. What is that? Developed what is that? TypeScript. So and what is that? Then for what purpose they develop this? For what purpose they develop the TypeScript? For the client side purpose, right? For the client side purpose only, guys. So Hazelbird developed what is that? TypeScript for what is that? Microsoft languages, like languages called what is that? See, already Hazelbird only developed one more language, C#, guys. Okay, C#. If you know that like .NET people write before learning ASP.NET, they are learning C#, right? C# also developed by this like scientist only, this developer only, right? This scientist only, C# also developed, right? C# also developed by this scientist only. So Hazelbird, right? 1 minute. So let's take the name, copying him, because I'm it's writing his name is a little bit, I'm feeling hesitate, like horrible for me, right? So now Hazelbird is developed what is that? Developed TypeScript. Hazelbird is developed what is that? TypeScript for what is that? For Microsoft, right? Microsoft language. But what is that? Already why they developed the, another one more language now? Another one more language, that is called what is that? That is called what is that? Already C# is there, right? Already language called what is that? Language called called C sharp, guys. Okay, C sharp. Already Microsoft having what is that? C sharp. Then why they what is that? What is why this person is developed? What is the TypeScript? That is also question, right? So don't worry about that. So C sharp, right? C sharp, using the C sharp, what is that? So used in the server side, guys. Okay, C sharp was C sharp was what is that? Was being used, right? Being used in the server side, right? And what is that? TypeScript TypeScript being used, right? What is that? Being used for what is that? Client side. Clear? Used for what is that? Used for what is that? Client side. Used for what is that? Client side. Now clear, friends? Why we are using like what is that? C sharp, because both languages developed by same developer only, right? But where we are using TypeScript and where we are using C sharp now. Okay, so now this TypeScript this TypeScript was what is that? Was there with what is that? There with what is that? Microsoft. Microsoft, MICROSOFT. Microsoft, right? Microsoft from 2013 now, guys. Okay, so then what is that? And what is that? And what is that? Then by seeing these things, right? Whenever the like discussion was happened with what? Angular people, right? Angular people. Then what the Angular people is Angular JS people was thinking about that? They come out to know that no issues, guys. Okay, no, I won't have any issue. I'm not going to develop what is that? I'm not going to develop this at script language. Okay, I will use what is that? I will use what is that? TypeScript. Okay, TypeScript. Then Angular JS team started what is that? Angular team like Angular JS team started in 2014. In 2014, Google Angular JS, right? Angular JS team build a new language. They build a new developer platform, right? Developer platform. That platform known as what is that? That platform known as what is that now, friends? Now your doubt is clear. Angular. That platform known as what is that? That platform known as what is that? Angular. Now you guys clear with what is that Angular JS and what is the Angular? I hope.
Yes, sir.
I hope people clear. I hope people cleared what is the Angular. If anybody is asking, what is that? What is the Angular JS and what is the Angular? Then people can easily say that, right? Angular JS is what is that? Framework, and Angular is a platform. Clear, friends? Please respond it, guys. I put my 100%.
Yes, Ravi, clear, Ravi.
Yes,
Clear, Ravi.
See how
Yes.
I started the things to presenting the things front of you guys. I kept it so see I made for you this much easy, but I spent a lot of time to make these things easy, guys. Okay, so don't like think about that. Just think about that how I started presenting front of you the things, guys. Okay, because see people know that how we will get the content from the net. I also like searching this content from the net only, but the thing is, if anybody is asking how we are presenting the things front of that person, that is also matter, right? How easily that person can understand our things. So I made so much easy to understand what is that Angular JS and Angular JS. Now the question is, now then question is, our question is what? Our question is what? Now what is Angular? What is Angular? What is Angular now, guys? Okay, now our question is, what is that? What is Angular? We started, what is that? We started from, what is that? What is the Angular JS, right? We started what is the Angular JS, and we end with what is that? We again, now we end what is that Angular JS, and we started what is that, to understanding what is the Angular, right? What is the Angular now? What is Angular now? So now, till now, whatever things I explained, everyone catch up that things easily now, friends, or it will still anybody having doubt now? Anybody having doubt?
No, Ravi, no doubt.
No
Now,
doubt, Ravi.
now everyone satisfied with the explanation, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So just believe with me as well as yourself only. No need to go any another institution where need to pay the money. Okay. Just believe your self and me only. And if anybody need help, just help them and guide them to connect with us. Right? Guide them to connect with what is that Archi technology. We will help everyone, guys. Okay. We will help everyone. Okay. So see. Let's see, let's help each other, guys. Okay, if the person is becoming like successful in their life, right, at least in any point of view, that person will remember us. What is that? Someone is holding my hand, because of the because of him today I'm in this position now. So that is enough for the person in the life, guys. Okay, no need money, guys. Okay, money is there multiple way. If you have the knowledge, you can earn the money multiple way, right? So that much only earn the money how much you need, guys. Okay, extra money also is what is that, not good for the health also, right? So the thing is, guys, what is that? Let's stop today's session here itself only. So tomorrow we will start what is that rest of discussion in the Angular, guys. Okay, tomorrow we will start it. Okay, shall I stop it now?
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I will share it.
Okay, Ravi.
I will share this notes, guys. Okay, just only one request, guys. Okay, become human, right? Become human, and don't think about I only like learn the things. I only become Superman in the industry, right? Help them, each and everyone, right? So if anybody need, guide them. Let's connect them with Archi technology, right? We will help them also, and see, if we are helping someone, right, it's not meaning that we are sitting in the one place also. We also growing in the life, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Sunil, what are you doing?
Yes, Ravi.
So we are also growing, right? So it's not meaning that like whom we are helping, that person is only growing. No. See, how many people know Ravikant now? Previously, before what is that? In 2000, like a 2020, no one knows that, right? Ravikant only where I'm working, those people only know that someone is Ravikant Tripathi is there in our team. Now see how many people is connected with me, and how many people know Ravikant Tripathi. So like that only you guys also do, guys. Okay, you guys also do that. Even if you help someone, right, by your help only, like the people also grow. At least in a one point of time, that person only definitely that person will remind you. Okay, so that is enough, right? Now let's stop the session, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Now as well as simultaneously enjoy your festival also, right? Because Monday Diwali's festival is there, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So prepare for that also, but don't think about that. I will not take the session. I will take the session. Okay, so now as well as prepare for that Diwali also, bring the crackers and all those things, but whenever you are cracking the crackers, please be safe yourself, guys. Okay, now let's stop the session. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. See you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Bye.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you.